Good day everyone, my name is Marjorie and I'm here to present instructional materials about my topic, Trigonometric Identities and Equations. So the first instructional material is the unit circle. So unit circle can be used in the topic trigonometric functions, especially in evaluating trigonometric functions. So for example, if you are going to get the value of cosine 30 degrees, so we'll go here cosine, then how should we know if it is 30 degrees? Then we will just refer to our unit circle. So here in 30 degrees, there are corresponding coordinates, which is square root of 3 over 2 and 1/2. So since cosine is equal to x, therefore, the value of cosine 30 is equal to square root of 3 over 2. If we are going to get the value of sine 60 degrees, so here is the sine 60 degrees, and the corresponding coordinates are 1/2 and square root of 3 over 2. Since sine is equal to y, therefore, the value of sine 60 degrees is square root of 3 over 2. If we are going to get the value of tangent, so tangent is equal to y over x. For example, tangent 330 degrees. So the corresponding coordinates are square root of 3 over 2 and negative 1/2. So since it is y over x, we will just simply divide negative 1/2 over square root of 3 over 2. In that way, we can already get or evaluate the value of tangent theta. So the second instructional material is called magic hexagon. So it is used in the topic trigonometric identities and equations. So this is how magic hexagon works. So if we are going to find the quotient identities, then we are going counterclockwise. So sine theta is equal to tan theta over secant theta. Then if we are going to find the trigonometric identity for tangent, so tangent theta is equal to secant theta over cosecant theta. Then if we are going to do it clockwise, so sine theta is equal to cosine theta over cotangent theta. So for cosine theta, it is equal to cotangent theta over cosecant theta. So if we are going to find its reciprocal identities, the diagonals represent the reciprocal identities. So here, if we are going to start with sine theta, so sine theta is equal to 1 over cosecant theta. So if we are going to find its product identities, choose a vertex. So it is the product of the surrounding trigonometric functions. This vertex, sine theta is equal to cos theta times tangent theta. So if we are going to find cosine theta, it is equal to cotangent theta and sine theta. So for the Pythagorean identities, look at the shaded triangle and read it from top to bottom. So if we are going to start with sine squared theta, then it is equal to, if you're going to read it from top to bottom, so sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. So that's it for the instructional materials for trigonometric identities and equations. So it is important to use these instructional materials for the students to not forget the different values and trigonometric identities, because as you know, there are a lot of identities and the student cannot memorize it all. So through the use of these instructional materials, they can refer to the values so that they can easily get the value in solving word problems.